Hey, what's going guys? Me Gyverr. Welcome to another video. So you might have read the title already and you know that it's a mukbang. But this is the full version of my fried itik mukbang in my Vlog Idol page entry last week. I decided to release this video for you guys to see the full mukbang, also considered with the bloopers. So yeah, and also disclaimer that if there are some parts on this video that doesn't make sense, it's because it is pertaining to the whole idea of the Vlog Idol entry that I did. But technically, it's still passable as a full mukbang video. So just a disclaimer that I might say words that doesn't really relate to this intro. So with that out of the way, I hope you guys will enjoy this mukbang. Peace! Okay, now we're back here at my house or my home, and we're going to start digging in with the fried itik. So, are you guys hungry? Because I am, so let's start this semi-mukbang. Okay, let's start first with the outer layer skin. Okay, it's still hot. Okay, forget about the outer layer skin. Let's eat this. What do you call this? I forgot this part. Neck? I think this is the neck part. This is the neck of the itik or the duck. Bibe, if you want to call it in a different term. I don't know if my lapel mic is hearing my chewing, but I hope you guys are hearing it. So you guys will want to order one. Yum. So the rule of thumb when eating fried itik is you just go crazy with it. You don't like try to eat it like slowly. You just go crazy with it. Some people call this as a snack while drinking or pulutan in Tagalog. It's hot. Okay. If you guys are wondering why I'm not touching this sauce, it's because I don't like sauce most of the time when I'm eating. So, yeah. Wait. Let me check my audio levels. Yum. See this? That's skin, guys. That's cholesterol in the making. But either way, I love it. You guys should because it tastes good. Now for some meat. I look like a crazy man who hasn't been fed for like, I don't know, 3-5 years. I'm just really going crazy with this food. Yum. Sadly, I don't have any drinks to accompany fried itik with me, but I think that's fine. Yum, yum. It's hot, hot, hot. Ouch. Okay. It's still hot. Well, obviously it's still hot. I just picked it up. So this skin. I know you guys love chicken skin or duck skin or anything that is skin and it's on fried type of cooking. Yummy. I think this is the last. No, the skin is. Yeah, see that? See this? I know you're hungry. To be honest, I think one fried itik is good for like 4 people with rice. If with not, maybe 3. I'm not so sure. Oh, let me show you some juicy meat. See this? Juicy meat. It's still smoking. Like it still produced some steam. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. Yeah. Overall, Fried itik is one of the best delicacy here in Angono Rizal. So anyway guys, I won't like torture you anymore of seeing me enjoy my meal. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you do, well, kindly comment that down in the comment section below. Alright? So anyway guys, this is me Gyverr, signing out with a fresh meat from fried itik. Fresh meat! Wala ko na. Andam.